What's the current state of color 3D printing? I've seen some multicolored part, but often they seem a bit washed out. Are there any new technologies or methods that have improved the quality or vibrancy of color 3D prints? I mean, this is certainly a question that's near and dear to our hearts. At Objects Unlimited, we've been doing color 3D printing since 2011. Yes, there are some new-ish technologies for color printing. Historically, the way to color print was using a Z-Corp or now 3D Systems color jet printing, where we would inject ink into a gypsum material. We do produce many thousands of outstanding parts using this method. They can become a little washed out over time. 5 to 6 years in UV light certainly would wash out those kind of gypsum parts. What we've been seeing the last several years is the movement towards polyjetting or multi-jetting of color materials through Mimaki, who we use significantly. So I'm not going to say that color printing is evolving tremendously. It has evolved in the last several years, but the one thing that I can point out that we see over and over again is the quality of the output depends on the quality of the input, and the best scans and the best full color 3D models result in the best full color 3D prints.